Have you ever been caught with your iPhone battery dying at the worst possible time? You may be mid-meeting, pull out your phone to get some data and realise that you forgot to charge your phone and it's completely dead. Or you're out with friends at a concert or a wedding and you just want to catch that perfect video or photo and then realise that you've got 10% battery left and you're kind of stuck. Well, I've been there, I'm sure you've been there, and in today's video I'm going to show you a way that you can automate low power mode so you're never going to be in that situation again. So my name's Matt, this is PL Tech Talk, where we give you the best tech tips, tricks, how-tos, product reviews, and basically talk about all things tech. So if you're into reducing time, managing stress with some excellent tech tips, then you're in the right place and this is the video for you. But before we get going, make sure you've hit that subscribe button so you can be notified of all of our latest tech tip videos, which we try and bring out every single week. Now, we're going to jump into my phone screen and I'm going to show you how to automate low power mode on your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you've got the Shortcuts app loaded onto your phone. If you haven't already, then you can get it from the App Store. And don't worry, it is super easy to use and any beginner can automate loads of different things using the Shortcut app. So what we need to do is we need to tap into Shortcuts. And from this screen, we need to look right at the bottom and tap the middle automation icon. So this will show you where all your automations are. As we've never set any up before, we're going to set up a brand new automation. So tap new automation. Now from the list, you can see there's a lot of different automations that we can set up on our iPhone, but what we're looking for is battery level. So once we've found that, we tap into battery level. You'll be presented with a slider across the top. Now you can change this to 100% all the way down to 0%, and this is going to set the battery percentage. Now for this particular example, we're going to set it to 40. Then we have three choices. If your battery is equal to 40%, rises above 40%, or falls below 40%. Now as we're doing a low power mode video, we want low power mode to be triggered when your battery falls below a certain level. So we're going to choose falls below 40%. The next selection is either to run after confirmation or run immediately. So we want this to run immediately because my battery may fall below while it's in my bag and I just want it to run immediately. So we select run immediately. Now we can ask the phone to send us a notification when it's actually done this, which is the toggle at the bottom. I'm happy for the phone to send me a notification when it's put my phone into low power mode. That's absolutely fine because then I might get a little notification on my watch as well because my watch is synced to my phone. So that's a handy little toggle to have. We then select next. So we're presented with some text at the top to confirm the last choices that we've made. So when battery level falls below 40%, next thing is we need to choose an outcome. So we can have it speak text to us if we want, but what we want is set low power mode. So we tap low power mode from the top. Next page shows that when battery level falls below 40%, we want to turn on low power mode. All we need to do then is select done at the top and the automation is set. Now if you want to check the automation to make sure everything's been set properly, tap into it. You will then have a review screen and we'll go top to bottom just to review what we've done. So the automation will run immediately. It will notify us when the automation runs. So when the battery level falls below 40%, it will activate low power mode. And that's it. So now if you're on the train, on an aeroplane, if you're out at a meeting, walking around, talking with friends and your battery falls below 40%, it will automatically trigger low power mode and we can just tap done. And there we go, our automation is done, all in the space of 60 to 90 seconds. So the benefit with this is that you can set your low power mode whenever you want. Now, there is a call for just having your phone permanently on low power mode. Yes, that is an option, but your phone will automatically reduce some of its functionality when it goes on low power mode. So what you'll have to do is check what functionality is being reduced with your phone being on low power mode. Me personally, I always use it as a last resort. So if I'm out and I notice my phone before I use automation was at 20%, bang, it would go straight onto low power mode. So I knew that it would last me the rest of the night. The beauty with this automation is the fact that you can have the full functionality of your phone for as long as possible, and then when you hit that critical battery capacity level, your phone will automatically switch into low power mode. Yes, it will reduce functionality, but it will get your phone through the rest of the day or the rest of the night. So if you've enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a big thumbs up. It really does help our videos get discovered on YouTube, and consider hitting that subscribe button, tapping that bell icon so you can be notified of all of our latest videos. And I hope what you've learned will get you out of some sticky situations. But for now, that is the end of today's video. We'll see you on the next one. Stay safe.